Fahd is a little boy. He has a toy bear. Fahd says my toy bear is smart. It can't speak. He takes his toy to school. His friends asked, "Who's this Fahd?" "It's my toy bear. His name's Busha. It can't speak." Fahd's friend said, "Hello, Busha." Suddenly the toy answered, "Hello, hello. I'm Busha." Fahd's friends are very happy. They point to Fahd and said, "Who's this Busha?" The toy answered, "This is my friend Fahd. All the boys like the bear so much. They spend a lovely time with the toy bear."